Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change shape alignment from horizontal to vertical in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we can see here we inserted some shapes vertical, horizontally. Then we change the shape alignment from horizontal to vertical. Select the shapes and move this shape down in one shape. Then select the multiple shape, press shift on your keyboard. We can see here we select these multiple shapes. Then we go to the format menu, then select alignment. Then align left or align center or align right or more than alignment or distribute horizontally or vertically. Now we can see here we change the shape alignment from horizontally to vertically very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.